with the grader that I've made. With each one has shades of 12 different sketching pencils that I have, starting from 10B to H. So first let's test the simple eraser that we got over here. Let's try this. Depends on the kind of pencil shade that I've used. For these ones I didn't have to use much of a pressure, but for these dark shades I had to use more pressure. But especially for the first two, even if I used more pressure, it kind of didn't give a neat, clean erase to it, I can see. And let's try if I can do this way. So as you can see, if I want to erase this way, this is sliding down. Maybe that's the reason why they have given the cut over here. Let's try. So now I have cut the cardboard as per the lines that it was given, and let's see if yeah, now it's not falling off and it has grip. And basically, based on my experience, these cardboards never lasted for long. Either I feel that it's disturbing, I remove it, or just while I'm playing, I just like to remove these things. And as you can see, if I erase based on the surface, it's not being erased so properly in that shade, which is much darker. I mean, I don't know, the position by the position I'm grabbing it now is kind of very weird, and I feel I don't have much of a grip on how it's being erased. That's what I feel like. It's time for another cube eraser that we got over here. Let's try the edges. I can say it has good grip. I mean, I don't know if it's because it's long or something. I wonder what exactly is giving me a good grip. But than this, I kind of, I feel that this has more grip and I have more control over how I operate with this eraser. I think because I have a good grip and it has a long one. I don't know why exactly, I wonder. And even if with the pencils, we can see it has a long one and I feel I have a good grip. Maybe because there is some more distance from the place that I hold the pencil and to the point. And even here it's the same thing. There's some distance between my grip and the point. But with this, there's not much of a distance between the grip and the point. So maybe that is kind of making the way I feel that I have more control over it. I just want to erase this part. Yeah, I was able to do it properly, but as you can see, there are few edges which I've kind of missed out because I think the pressure is I'm applying more pressure on this part and this part is being missed out. I think it depends on the way I hold it, or I don't know. Let's try this out. Oh, I feel this is gonna break. Like it's this part is kind of moving so much, and I can't really. The bend is very uncomfortable, which the bend is over here. The bend is not giving me a good grip not grip, but I don't know what exactly it's called as, but the bend is not at all making me use it properly. Wondering why there is a gap over here, but just now as I was using it, I've realized it's because if I move it a little, if I push it, and then I can use this part to push it further. That's why we have a gap. This part is kind of coming in between as I hold it, but it's poking me over here, so we can see what the problem is. If I go like this, maybe it doesn't. Let's see. Oh, the surface. I'm pretty impressed with the grip that this holder have over on the eraser. It doesn't move much backwards. I expected it to like go way inside as I was erasing like this, but it's not going inside like that. So the grip is really good. If we have something to push here, or what if it's already a little like this, it's much bent actually. I wonder. There's another multi-purpose eraser that we have. I find the grip super good now. I don't. It's pretty good. The like these spaces are giving a good grip for my hand, for my fingers to hold. But the surface erasing of this is so good. I wonder why. What is making it that way? As it has notches, I don't miss even a corner. I can kind of rotate it a little and then erase this corner too. See the corners. It's pretty good. Let me arrange with this surface and let's see how it goes. Try this. Maybe it's much lighter shade. So I don't find it so comfortable. Maybe the bend which we can see over here where I hold the thumb, maybe due to the pressure I put with thumb is making it uncomfortable. I have to give more pressure and more force to it, and we can see the paper is also kind of folding it. So I have to use my left hand for the proper hold of the paper and then erase this. I'm not a fan of this. It's leaving out few spots. I really love the grip of here.